Hi, I'm Craig Turner with Momentum AI, and thank you for joining us at the Momentum AI for Chambers of Commerce YouTube page, where we try and give you prompts and tools and solutions that you can use every day in your Chamber of Commerce to help you save time, increase productivity, and have a better conversation with your members. So today, we're going to do a prompt that I like to use in our training. I call it surprise presentation. And one of the things that we try to tackle with our prompts when we're working with chambers is the blank page, overcoming the blank page. You know, whether you have a long-term project or you have a project that gets dropped on your lap, sometimes getting something on paper that you can work with is often the hardest start. And this goes with any creative endeavor, is looking at that blank page and saying, where do I start? I can edit anything later, but where do I start? And this is where AI becomes an incredible tool to save time. Rather than spending 45 minutes trying to come up with the perfect path forward, plug your goals into ChatGPT and go from there. So the prompt we're going to use today is this one right here. It's a membership related prompt. I've just been asked to do a presentation for the CEO of a major prospect, a national warehousing company, coming to West Sparta in 2 days. Now, if you follow our YouTube channel, you'll know that the West Sparta chamber that we use for our examples is not real. In fact, I have the website open here. It says it right on it. It's not real. Don't try to join it. But we needed to have, I wanted these to be real. I wanted these prompts and examples and solutions to be real for you. So I went up and we made up a chamber. And that website, we've got a membership directory, we've got events, we've got committees and blogs, we've got everything that you have that we can tap into for these trainings and these videos. So again, don't try to join it though, it's not real. I've been asked to put together a 15-minute membership presentation, but it's a busy time. The CEO's local folks want me to focus on how the chamber can provide for them awareness, workforce recruiting help, and advocacy. Can you put together 5 slides for me focused on these points? Understand that we're talking to someone who will not be in town day to day. We all deal with this. We all have members whose decision makers are out of town, and we might get some face time with them, and we have a short amount of time to make a case, but we know that once they get on the plane and leave, they're not thinking about the West Sparta chamber anymore. So please include talking points for each slide and recommend an image that would be suitable to enhance the visuals. For further information and more context, you can take a look at our website, and here's the link to the West Sparta chamber. So the first thing it's doing is browsing the website, which is great. And it's going to break down the slides for us here. Now, the one thing is, people ask sometimes why I put this stuff in. It's a busy time. Sometimes I'll go into detail and say, you know, this presentation is due tomorrow, but tonight's my daughter's chorus concert. Why do you put those things in? Because it's data. It goes in, it tells ChatGPT that there's urgency. So that is going to be taken into account when the response is given. So here's our slides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with our title on them and an image for each of them. So what I'm going to go ahead and do now is say, can you create the PowerPoint slides for me? Now, interestingly enough, when we do these things live, the technology is consistently advancing. So sometimes the response comes up different. I was doing a training once and I did this exact prompt and I said, look, it's not going to create the slides for you, but that we're going, and while I was saying the words were coming out of my mouth, it created the slides. So here's the slides. Now I'm going to say this right now. Typically, these slides are not graphically enhanced. It's just the slide, and it's got the copy on it. So, but it gets you, like I said, it gets you the blank page. It gets you started to where you're headed. And there are other tools out there AI tools that will create a PowerPoint presentation for you. So I've downloaded it here. I'm going to just open it up in PowerPoint real fast to see what we have. And like I said, there's no graphics on these pages at this point too, but you have the titles, you have the framework of your presentation all set. And again, what did it take us? About 60 seconds there to do all of that. So I'm going to go now. Now we're going to do one of the graphics just to show you what it looks like. Let's do this one. Photo of a successful local job fair showing engagement between businesses and potential employees. So can you go ahead and create the image for slide number 3, and let's see how that comes out. Now, images, we're doing live again. Images are a different animal than text, and they've gotten better and better and better over time. You'll see, it really hangs on keywords. All right, so we gave it job fair and recruitment. It went above and beyond with job recruitment. So, I mean, the image itself is great. I'm going to show you one of the neat things about ChatGPT and DALL-E, D-A-L-L-E, which is the segment of ChatGPT that does images. What's neat about it is you can spot edit, okay? So if you click this tool here, this select, all right? I'm going to get rid of some of the stuff. I'm going to change the size of my cursor here. I don't think we need the word local here. Obviously, you see there's some misspellings. That's something that happens with, see here, it got recruitment right here. So we'll get rid of this word here. I'm just highlighting some things to here, and we'll get rid of this one right here. Okay, so we're going to say get rid of these words. I don't have to be verbose about it. It'll understand what I'm looking for. And now it will enhance the picture. So everything else looks good. I think we'd all love to have a job fair this well attended and robust. But let's see how it does with the edits on the picture. All right, so it got rid of most everything. It got rid of everything we said, but it added a logo here, and you can continue to edit and get rid of those things. Again, the images are, as I said, much more fickle in the way you do the prompts, but and then that image can be downloaded and put on your PowerPoint slide for that page. So I wanted to show you, surprise presentation doesn't have to be a stressful thing for you anymore, because you can knock a whole bunch out of it. You can knock a whole bunch of it out using ChatGPT and get on your way. So thanks for sitting in for this video. We got lots more videos, and they're all practical, day-to-day operational work of the chamber stuff. So thanks for being here, and stay tuned for more. Hi, this is Craig Turner from Momentum AI. Thanks so much for stopping by and checking out our video. If you like what you saw, it was helpful, and you want more AI tips, don't forget to click our subscribe button and turn on notifications so you know when we launch new content. Now, if you really want to take it to the next level, I want to send you to MomentumHub.ai, where you can learn about our platform we created specifically for chambers of commerce that can get an AI-generated, customized, personalized membership strategy in the hands of every one of your members.